STEAM education provides opportunities for students to work on engaging real-world problems that integrate the knowledge and skills from a range of academic disciplines. This creates problem and inquiry-based approach to learning. It encourages students to develop innovative solutions using the latest technology. As students work collaboratively towards solving challenging problems, they enhance their teamwork, communication and critical thinking skills amongst others.
In a rapidly changing world and a fast-evolving field, teachers face many challenges in educating students in coding. We need tailored support to deliver engaging, meaningful and up-to-date lessons.
Until now, there have been few robotics platforms that are effective in supporting both novice programmers and those who are transitioning to a more advanced skill level. It's also difficult to provide genuine real-world challenges in educating students that are flexible in scope across a broad range of required areas. With the Robomaster EP Core, this platform provides flexibility and greater scalability.
This is the door into the future of technology and a pioneer in the AI application world for students. The AI functionality brings exciting possibilities for what students can achieve collaboratively. The EP Core is brilliant at retrieving and processing data information as it's compatible with a wide range of sensors and other hardware. It can achieve things like autonomous driving, as well as facial and object recognition.
I love it as it drives student interest and it comes with tailored curriculum resources to support syllabus outcomes. It can integrate with existing hardware we have, like Arduinos and Raspberry Pis, and interface them with ease. The software is tailored to support newer programmers, whilst the SDK encourages students to invest the effort into advancing their technical knowledge and skill sets. It provides instructions to set up competitions and challenges whose topics are socially relevant, like search and rescue, making the competitive learning process fun and memorable.
I think it was quite different because firstly, the Lego allows for all of the different attachments to be easily installed.
I've seen it move in person and I was just shocked at how incredible and how well and smoothly it moves.
Mobility with them is very cool, yeah. It'd be really fun to have a play around with it. One of the things that was holding us back in our robot development was the fact that we had to be careful in the sensors that we chose. If you said this was supported by a Raspberry Pi and Arduino, it doesn't really matter what sensors you use. It opens up a wide variety of sensors you can use.
With the EP Core, students at every level are able to explore the world of AI and engineering, including the initial mechanical design process and software development. They will experience the steps of defining and analysing the problem, plan, design, as well as implementing the solution with exciting, tangible results. Every student deserves the best tool out there to unlock their potential and passion for STEAM.